Okay everyone, so I removed this top, well I haven't fully removed it, but just loosened up the two bolts there, and I popped off this coolant hose here, and just want to show you how nasty this is down in there. And I believe the top part, which let me see if I can take the thing, completely came off, and it caused, I see right there, this top part of the O-ring, or whatever ring here, broke off. And let me show you what it looks like on this side here. This part right there, you can tell. Let's see if I can focus. You see it's broken right there. And just look how nasty it is inside. Just so gunked up, and just, it's garbage. So I'll tell you what, I'm pretty sure my leak was coming from here. This little part there that broke off compromised it, but this is garbage anyways. I mean, this is what it looks like with 250,000 miles, so definitely worth replacing. And since I'm in here, I'm gonna replace the lower one as well. See if I can get that in the shot here. This is the upper, this lower one as well. God, my hand is so gross. All right, so that looks like my leak. Now, just to confirm,